Hi girls, today I want to show you how to create these nails. Are a lot of birds in branches. First of all, I start applying my favorite base coat. Then I apply 2 coats of this pink polish named sooo Glam from Color Club. And for stamping, I will be using my Creative Shop stamper and scraper, as well as my point. This is from the Leisure Collection Plate 77 and the Mother Nature Collection from Moyo London Plate 2. So let's start. The stamping polishes I will be using are from Mundo de Uñas, black and white. And I start applying white polish on the point plate. Just apply in any place where you would like. Scrape off the excess. Pick up. Look how nice it picks up. And just stamp onto the nail. Just like this. Let me clean the plate. And let's move on. The second step is applying sheer tints. These ones are ones that I did my own. And I'm just going to add the colors on top of that white stamp. So, just add randomly. And let this completely dry. If you want to create these tints, I will leave the video I did on how you can make them, and I will link in the description bar below. So while this is drying, I'm going to clean up around the edges with Q-tip dipped in acetone, just like this. And the next step is stamping over these with some black polish. The plate I will be using is this one from Moyo London. You have a lot of birds to choose from, and you just have to apply the one you like. So I think I'm going to apply this one. So again, just apply a polish. Remember, a little goes a long way. Scrape off the excess with the stamper. Pick up, look how beautiful it came out, and just stamp onto the nail. Just like this. Okay, so I'm going to clean up around the edges and I'll be back to show you the final result. Okay girls, so I just finished cleaning up around the edges, and the final step is applying your favorite top coat. Today I'm using Vite. And just applying on the nail. And here is the final result. I like it. I took this idea from a girl on Instagram and I like the result. I hope you enjoyed the video. All the info of the products I use will be linked in the description bar below. You are welcome to join my channel and I will appreciate your thumbs up if you like this video. Have a nice day and bye bye.